Let me create sheet metal object with the help of NX software. Create the new document. Select the sheet metal option. OK. Create the new sketch on top plane. Rectangle with center rectangle 500 by 75. Exit the sketch and create the tab. Now select the edge flange method. Click the edge. Reverse the option. At the center 150. Length of the flange 70. Preview and apply. Now again select the flange. Length 100. Hide the sketch and datum coordinate. Again select the flange. Reverse and length should be 125 mm. Preview. Now create one extrude cut. So sketch. Select this face and OK. For the sketch construction, create the rectangle corner method. Width 60, height 70. Horizontal dimension 45. Enter. Now create one circle from the center point to end point. Finish this sketch. Now search the extrude command. Now select the extrude command. Reverse the direction and OK. Cut is ready. Hide this sketch. Now before create this top circle, first break the corner. Select this corner, but radius should be 37.5. Preview. Select these two edges also. Now create the another circle. More option, select the projected curve. Create the circle with specific diameter of 30. Finish the sketch and again need to select extrude command. reverse the arrow for the cut, and our object is ready. For the simplification, we can manipulate the thickness of sheet metal object, bend radius of the sheet metal object. So go with the file option and preference and select the sheet metal. Material thickness is 2, bend radius is 1.5, relief depth 1 and relief width also 1. Natural factor should be 0.5. Everything is updated. Now for the flat pattern, click on the flat pattern, select the steady face and apply key. Our flat pattern is created successfully. For the flat pattern view, we have to go with the model view and flat pattern. You can visualize your flat object.